Yo, Johnnysamoa here, and I'm here to show you another beautiful magic trick, my friend. Check this out. This is a normal deck of cards. You can do this trick with any deck of cards. There's nobody here, so I'm going to do the magic to you. This is Johnnysamoa. You feel free to take a card from anywhere you like. It doesn't matter where you take it. Let's say you take this card here, that card there. I don't know what it is. Now I know, but usually I don't look at it. It's a 3 of clubs. Now the 3 of clubs, my friend, goes in the middle. Alright? Yes, some people think it might be a pinky break. There's nothing going on there. We're going to cut the cards, my friend. Making sure the 3 of clubs is lost in there. We can shuffle as well. It doesn't matter. No worries. Alright? They can shuffle. I can shuffle. It doesn't matter. Now, my friend, I'm going to find your card using my magic power. Watch this. Say stop anytime. Stop. Okay, we're gonna go take this card. Wherever you say stop, I'm gonna take that card. And this card here is the king, and the king is going to help me locate your card by shooting in there and shooting your card out. Chaka 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 chaka. I got it. 1, 2, 3. My friend, your card is right there. Alright, if I clear all these things away, where your card went under. And let's see. The 3 of clubs. Do you like this, my friend? If you like this trick, please give it a thumbs up and like, man. You will help the channel. Yeah? Now let's get on to the tutorial. My friend, all you have to do is take one card and bend the corner up like that. Okay? Now if you put it down, you can see that, right? Just one card. Now what I'll do now is I'll take that card and I'll place it in the middle. The corner, right? And then I'll put this on top. Okay, now we are ready to do the trick. Oh yeah. Okay, you go up to your friend and say, yo, my friend. Now the important part, you have to remember, this side is facing you, right? Now if you're shuffling and you rotate the cards like this at the front, this is no good, my friend, because now the other corner is facing the spectator. We want that, my friend, to be facing you, right? The corner was side up like this. That's your setup. Put that card. Now I do this for my old cards that, you know, really old, because you don't want to ruin your new card. But it's okay if you have plenty. It's a magic trick. And you put that on top and you're ready to do the trick, my friend. You say to your friend, yo, my friend, take a card from anywhere. This is a normal deck of cards. Now, you know it's in the middle. They can take a card from anywhere here to there. Now, when you're almost in the middle where the other card is, right? And the person is not taking a card, you push all the cards over and like this. Okay, now let's imagine they take that card there. Now at the moment we don't know what this card is, alright? Please remember your card, don't forget, blah 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 blah. Okay, now your card goes in the middle. I say that goes in the middle. Now let's have a look. It's a 6 of hearts, right? So your card goes in the middle. See, can you see? You see that gap there? Your card goes in the middle. Okay, when I push it in, once it's in there, I squeeze it tight and I turn around and I show them, look, it goes in the middle. Because you can't really see it, right? It goes in the middle. And you square them up like this, so you can, if you squeeze, there's nothing, right? Look, there's nothing going on over here. Look, 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 nothing, right? Now we know it's in the middle, right? Now we're going to cut. It's in the middle over here, so don't take too much. We know it's in the middle. It's in the middle over here. We're gonna take more, all that, and we'll just cut it in normal like this, okay? Now if you want to shuffle, you know it's over here. Okay, so take the bottom, because we don't want those cards to separate. Otherwise, the trick will be done. So we know it's over here. Okay, you can cut some more. All right. So you are doing the matching and talking to them while this is happening. All right. Then over here, we're gonna spread the cards from left to right. Now, usually right now. Okay, now I bent that corner up so it's easy for you guys to see. So when I say to them, okay, think of your card, while I'm talking to them, think of your card, I'm trying to locate that space, you know, can you see, right? It's the only one with the big gap, all right? And I say to them, please say stop anywhere, say stop. And then, okay, this card here is not even going to be their card because it's over here, but we're going to use this as an excuse to say, oh, your card was a 7 of spade. And the bully say, no man, you stuffed it up. But then, you know, make up some stories that, oh, you know what, the 7 is a lucky number, you know. This is going to help me find your card. Now, it's over here, right here. I'm not sure if you can see the gap right here. All right, let's see if you can see the gap. Yeah, the gap. So the idea on what I'm trying to do now is make this card go in there, in that gap right there. All right. So practice. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Got it. See, right here. Because it doesn't matter if they, sometimes it will hit the card and the card will go forward, but it's as long as it's somewhere near. See, their card is a 6 of heart, right? Remember the space here? I've got it. Yep. See what I mean? How it pushes the 6 out. All right. There we go. Oh my God, Johnny! How the hell did you do that? Now let's do another situation, okay? You have to practice this one, okay? It's fun to do once you learn how to do it, okay? Okay, let me find your card, all right? Now, depending on your spread, you know, just take your time, because I say, oh, keep thinking about your card, because sometimes if it's too hard for you to see, I mean, I can see it, it's over here. If it's too hard for you to see, you make up some line, oh, keep thinking about it, and you do another spread. Say stop right here. I got it. This is it. This is it. The 9 of clubs. No, Johnny. Do you have 9 brothers or sister? Or make up something like that. All right. Look, this 9's gonna help me find your card. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Right there. Now you see how the card just went like that. Now I know the stuffed up card is above that. So I just see how this one, they might see this one, so immediately you take that card away as well. All right, and take the card. See, the 9 was special because it tells me something about, what was your card? Was it, oh my God! Now please give this a thumbs up and practice. My friend, you will get this trick. Peace and have fun and do something.